never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. Welcome back to another video.
So what's some another prayers? Long life happy living.
Okay. Do you think you're gonna get like a new saying? Do you think you're gonna like say something else?
Yeah, we got
apart from manners and prayers.
Yeah, them no, they became. I don't want to get rid of that, you know.
Okay.
Manners and prayers.
That's you all over, but
yeah, you can't get rid of that.
Alright. So guys, yes, we're kind of excited today. Well, I certainly am, because today, March the 5th makes exactly 1 year since we've been on YouTube. To the date, March the 5th. So we put our first video out on March the 5th. I wonder if how many of you remember that video, or how many of you have even seen that video. So 1 year ago, and we're just short of 7,000 subscribers. So guys, we just want to take this opportunity to say thank you, big up to everybody that subscribed, big up to everybody, and thank you to everybody that's watched any of our videos, even if you've not subscribed. Even if you've watched the video. Yeah, man, we just want to say a big thank you, because
blessings, man.
Yeah, definitely, and it means a lot, you know. 1 year's gone by really quickly, actually.
I mean, to tell you.
But it means so much to us because, you know.
Yeah, man.
1 year ago, we never anticipated that we'd be where we are right now, right?
We're coming from to where it is now.
We're going, yeah. Well, where we are, actually, yeah.
Right now.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. We actually gave ourselves 1 year to see if YouTube would even work for us.
True.
We said, all right, let's give it between... A year ago, we sat down, we said, all right, let's give ourselves 6 months to 1 year to see if we can reach 1,000 subscribers.
That's what I was thinking.
To reach 1,000 subscribers.
We were saying that.
Yeah.
That one.
And so look where we are now. And I know that we're still a very small channel. But you know what? We give thanks, because, you know, sometimes slow and steady does it.
Yeah, man, it's a growth organically.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's about to own.
Definitely.
Yeah, we're not, our channel have no additive, none of preservative. No.
Just natural.
Natural
as you see it. Yeah. And we're going to keep it that way. We don't want to be putting out anything just for likes, just for views, just for you know, and which is not keeping with our character or our beliefs. Or
no, we're not up on something there. Hurry come up something there.
Yeah.
No, we're not up on that.
Yeah.
So we are going to creep like a turtle.
That's right.
one cocoa full of basket.
Yeah, definitely. So just some of the things that, and guys, you know, you've been following our journey, right? Many of you have been following our journey, but as many of you know, from our YouTube channel, you know, our small business has evolved, from the YouTube channel. And like I say, guys, it's many of you, our viewers and subscribers, that have booked us, that have you know, it's recommended us to other people, family and friends, and so without you guys, like
motivation,
it wouldn't even be possible. Without you guys, it wouldn't be possible. So
I'll keep us up there.
Yeah, definitely. And I think also it's just helped to just motivate us to keep going and just to continue expanding and growing. Yeah. Not only on YouTube, but you know, in our other endeavors, in our other businesses, so to speak. Yeah. You know, so it's been a great year. It's gone by quick, but it's been a great year, and I've loved every minute of it, you know.
Yeah, we give thanks every moment.
Yeah, I've loved every minute of it.
Every moment of that, we give thanks to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we still have to come talk to them and tell them what I want.
Exactly.
And all these things.
Exactly.
Yeah, we can't get around that.
But you know what? It wouldn't be our 1 year anniversary if we didn't do a giveaway, right? We wanted to do a giveaway once we reached 5,000 subscribers. Didn't quite work out. But 1 year anniversary, have to do a giveaway.
Sure.
Have to do a giveaway. So guys, you've just recently seen our merch and our collection video, right? So we've got our own collection out now. It's more than merch. I always like to say it's more than merch, it's a collection.
True.
Okay, so you've seen our collection is out. You know we do our tours, you know that we help people look for land and house. So we have to do a giveaway, but guys, there is a question. All right, there is a question. So
Ready for it?
so let's talk about the prize first, and then let's talk about what the question is. So the prize is, or the giveaway, it's not prize, the giveaway is, if any of you guys are coming to Jamaica and you are landed in Montego Bay, you get the option of one, choosing for us to pick you up at the airport and bring you to a location within the Ocherius vicinity. So anywhere from Montego Bay Airport to Ochi for free. Okay, we won't charge you. That's the first giveaway. That's the first prize. Okay, so you can choose that, or you may want to. You may not be coming, but you want some of our merchandise or something from the collection. Okay, so we're going to give you 2 items from the collection. 2 items from the collection, whatever you want. Okay, yeah. So those are the prizes, right? Those are the prizes. So yeah, the giveaway question is, on our very first vlog, so March the 5th, 2021, what was the drink that Outlaw ordered in the vlog, and how many types of rum were in that drink? So I'm going to repeat the question. On our very first vlog, go back and look at the vlog. In our very first vlog, what was the drink that Outlaw ordered, and how many different types of rum did it have in it? Okay, so in order to win, it's just the first answer. So whether you answer in the comments, whether you DM me, whether you email me, whether you send your message on Facebook, Instagram, just the very first, I'm going to look at the timestamps and everything. The very first person to answer the question correctly will get the choice of a free pickup from the airport to Ocherius vicinity, or you can get to choose 2 of anything in our collection. So go ahead guys, give it a try.
We know our name, you know?
Yeah. Yes, definitely.
We
So
doing good like that.
of course. So guys, good luck to everybody who participates, and may the best person win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The best person win.
May the best person win.
Yeah, well, maybe not the best person win. That maybe the first person win.
Well, the first person to win. The first person to win. So while we're at it, let me just ask you, what have you particularly enjoyed about being on YouTube this last year? Like, is there anything that surprised you? Is there anything that you thought, did you think it would be like this? Like,
well, my surprise on YouTube, where that message is concerned, is the growth. That's my surprise.
Yeah. You do talk about it.
Never, no, say it to the right.
You never expected it.
Never expect, not like that.
Yeah.
Good, wicked, nice growth, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Wicked,
It surprises us. It does surprise us.
Yeah,
It does
man.
surprise us. So we never thought.
Yeah, when we start, we monetize in 1 month.
True.
Yeah. From the start, 1 month from the
That
start.
hardly happens. Yeah.
1 month from the start, that's when we monetize.
True.
I tell you, people,
True.
you never see that.
That's
Are we after 6 months before we see that?
6 months or 1 year.
1 year before we see that.
That's very true.
It happened.
I think for me, it's allowed me to develop my confidence. Yeah, because I can be quite, like I've said this before on camera, like in the past I've been quite shy, quite reserved, I don't want to talk my business too much, and of course I still have to be guarded. I can't just tell you guys everything, but I think I've been a lot more open, a lot more people friendly.
Still have to know everything now. Remember, just remind us, I know everything.
Oh gosh, yeah, guys, I've got some stories for you guys, honestly, and some more opening to do, but everything in time. Everything in time.
Yeah, man. We have a portion of thing in our pipeline.
Yeah, but it's definitely built my confidence. Definitely allowed me to open up a bit more.
That is true, is she?
Yeah.
Where she's gone to, that is true.
Yeah, and that's a good thing, I think. That's a good
wrong
thing.
with that,
That's a
man.
good thing.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. So we give thanks to subscribers and the viewers so far.
The viewers.
Because the video, everything work. The Almighty,
Yeah.
Part of the thing, point up and say, alright, one. So we work with us up there, we keep the thing straight.
But yeah, again, we just want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed, everybody that has called me just to talk, just to encourage us, just to inspire us, just to say well done, keep going, just to everybody that can relate to us. It's just everybody that sent donations. Like, we don't often talk about this on the channel, you know, but you know what, so many of you out there have just felt it in your hearts or felt it in your spirits just to send something to us, and we're just like,
give thanks.
Like, we're just overwhelmed. It's overwhelming because you don't expect, you know, we're not asking for anything, but you know, we leave it there if you want to make a donation. And honestly, those people who have contributed to, like, even a new camera when our camera was going, you know, phone was going funny, like, it's overwhelming. But we're so appreciative because we don't take anything lightly, we don't take anything for granted. So I just want to say to all of those people that have, you know, this is your hard-earned money, you don't have to give us anything, you know. All we ask for is that you just watch the ads, and then we can make a bit of revenue from that. But for those people find it in their heart to go in their pockets, I mean, that's just that's next level. So, you know, I can never stop saying thank you.
Gratitude is ours.
Definitely.
Blessings.
Definitely.
Give thanks to that.
But guys, this is just a very short, quick video just to say thank you once again. 1 year. One year of YouTube.
One.
But we're looking forward to the next year and the next year after that. Bigger and better
1
things.
year.
Yes. So thank you guys. Look out for the next video.
And we have lots more coming.
Definitely.
I will say a lot more things in the pipeline.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
About one. And then make the swag one.
That's right.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah,
so guys, help us out by watching 30 seconds of the ads. Please press the thumbs up button so that our videos can get more exposure to other parts of the world. Throughout the diaspora. And like the videos.
Take care of yourself.
Comment.
Take care of yourself out there. Just take care of yourself out there.
Stay safe.
In the road, no normal.
Stay safe.
Take care of yourself out the road.
Stay safe.
No cup, no coffee, no that's way.
Alright, people. Till next time. That me said.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.